Hey everyone, Jeff here. Welcome back to Imagination Tech. So the nice thing about having a very technical hobby like FPV or something similar is that the better you get at building your drones or repairing your drones, the more fearless you become at fixing other stuff. Like these pair of Marshall Major 3 headphones that I got for my wife for Christmas 2019, I think. It was way before the pandemic. So it has signs of wear and tear. The headbands, the PU leather of the headbands and the earpads really need replacing. So the bad thing about these headphones is that you have to desolder the wires just to get all of these old pads out. And I was trying to look for a tutorial on YouTube on how to do that, but there were a couple of videos, but they weren't really that much helpful or weren't that much clear. So that's what we're going to do today. It's not too technical, but just what I think this is going to be a useful video for a lot of people who have these pair of headphones or similar Marshall headphones. So stay tuned. First, we need to remove the earpads by turning it counterclockwise, and we do that for both ears. Next, we need to remove these the headband part by pushing on these copper thingies. Next, we're going to unscrew the screws on the left side. I think we still need to remove all of the most of the components from the inside, like this control board. I'm just going to put the screws there, and as well as the battery. So as you can see, the wires are just, all of them are soldered onto the board. The wire is also connected to this, this small board, which is connected to the button on the left. And we just need to pop this plastic thing up. So the first time you do it, it might be a little harder because there is a lock there. But just gently pop it up, and it should be fine. Now pull this whole thing out. Putting it back in, that's going to be another matter, but we'll worry about that later. It's a little bit tight, so we might have to get these things out one by one. Okay, so pulling it one by one, which makes it easier for the other one to go out as well. All right, we slide this out. And push it up from the other side. So use carefully, just to make sure that you don't snap anything. Now we have this new replacement headband. So again, it has the Marshall written there in this orientation, but it also has left and right indicated on the sides. Right here on the sides, right? So links to these replacement parts are in the description, so do check that out. So we're just going to wrap this like so, just so it's easier to move them through the headband. If you have a long cylindrical object like this paintbrush, or maybe a pen or a hard straw, then you can also use that to help guide the wires through the hole. So let's just do it like this. Slide this whole thing inside, and it's easier to push and this part is here as well. That thing also should fit in with the rest of them, and just keep pushing. You reach the other side. Now you can just start pulling from this side as well. So, alright, so once you get the headband through, the work is over and we can just start putting this back. Alright, so first we need to push this through the hole again and just twist it so that they go in easier. Put the battery back in, then we just need to slot this into its holes, and once that's done we can now just close this up. Push these copper thingies back in to the holes. Then just screw this here clockwise, and we do the same for the other one. So now we have this new looking pair of Marshall Major 3 headphones. All of the rubber and PU leather thingies have been replaced, and it's also working. I turned it on, so I think it's working. Now all that's left to do is give this to my wife. And there you have it. Now my wife has an almost new Marshall Major 3 headphones, or at least it looks like new or refurbished. So this isn't the usual content that I post here, because this is normally, this channel is normally for FPV and FPV drones and FPV flying and everything about it. But I hope this was useful to whoever is watching this this video. There are some videos who who showed how to replace these things, but didn't really explain the process that in much detail. So I hope this was useful to some of you. Probably not to my usual subscribers, but hey, if you're here on the channel, you might as well check out my other videos. Make sure you hit the like button if you like this video, and if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so as well. Alright, so I'm going to leave you with that, and as always, keep building and keep flying, or in this case, keep listening to your favorite tunes. Alright, see ya.